The Saab 900, a cult classic. The Saab 900 is arguably the most iconic and best-selling model in Saab's history. Produced from 1978 to 1998, it captured the hearts of many with its unique blend of safety, performance, and Scandinavian design. Advantages of the Saab 900. Safety. Saab was a pioneer in automotive safety, and the 900 was no exception. Its robust construction, crumples owns, and innovative safety features set new standards for the industry. Performance. The 900 offered a wide range of engine options, from fuel-efficient to high-performance turbocharged variants. The turbocharged models were particularly renowned for their punchy acceleration. Handling. The 900's balanced chassis and precise steering made it a joy to drive, both on winding roads and in everyday conditions. Durability. Known for its build quality, the 900 was built to last. Many examples are still on the road today. Unique styling. The 900's distinctive design stood out from the crowd with its aerodynamic shape and practical hatchback body style. Disadvantages of the Saab 900. Interior space. While comfortable, the 900's interior could feel somewhat cramped compared to modern standards, especially in the rear seats. Fuel economy. Some engine options, particularly the turbocharged models, could be thirsty. Parts availability. As an older model, finding replacement parts can be more challenging and expensive than for more recent cars. Tech specs example: Saab 900 Turbo. Engine, 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4. Power, 160 horsepower approximately. Transmission, 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. Drivetrain, front-wheel drive, suspension, independent front and rear. Brakes, disc brakes all around, safety features, anti-lock brakes, ABS, crumples dones, seat belts. The Saab 900 was produced over a long period, and specifications varied depending on the model year and trim level. The information provided above is a general overview and may not apply to all variants.